Bring back the PMI. Violence interrupters make call to Prime Minister. They say at-risk youths are reverting to crime. Deadly dispute. Grandmother stabbed to death as cousins fight over money. And deadly St. Mary crash renews appeal for drivers to slow down. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the Financial Week, Primetime Sports, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question. And this evening, we are asking, what is your reaction to former Prime Minister P.J. Patterson's letter to Prime Minister Andrew Holness and opposition leader Mark Golding urging consensus and action to relinquish ties with the monarchy in time for the 60th independence celebrations? You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at televisionjam1. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.